Hello there folks, I'm here with an unboxing video for you for some new books that I got. As you can see, the books came in a standard Amazon package here. Nothing too special about this. The standard Amazon taping and everything. I'm going to just open this up with my scissors here. It has a nice heft to it, this box. Okay, and here are the books inside. Oh, a little bit of extra cutting needed here. There we go. Now you see the books inside, and they're well packaged next to each other. They fit nicely inside the box, not a whole lot of space there. So they fit pretty nicely. Now here's the first book I got, which was Kangblabla. This is a little bit shorter. You can see it's nice and thin. Not a whole lot of thickness to it. And then the other book I got over here is Hive. A lot more heft to it. You can see how thick that is. Pretty decent size to it. This has a nice glossy cover. You see front and back. It's a glossy cover to it, and you can see the way that the light will reflect off of it and kind of shimmer. The spine looks nice and tight. You can see the title up top, then Hive in the middle, the logo of the squid thing in the center, and then the author name. A very nice glossy cover. Whereas the cover for this one, not quite as glossy. It's a little bit more of a matte cover. Doesn't reflect in the light quite as much. You can see, in this case, the image is on the top of the spine here, and then the title, and then 5 Chaotic Tales, the description there at the bottom. And there's the back description. And you can see the size difference between the two. So the Hive book is definitely larger than the Kangblabla book. I ended up getting 3 of each, so I have 3 of this book, and then I got 3 of Hive as well. And again, you can see the way that the light reflects in this video here on the glossy cover. It seems to be consistent with the other books in the series. If I get one off the wall here, give me a second. You can see here's Iris, which is the first book in the series. I got this one when it came out, and you can see next to each other they're the same size. Both that glossy covers, the same type of cover, same font, same text size. You have the description on the top, book 1, book 4. Author name is in the same place here. So very similar size between the two. They definitely look consistent when they're next to each other. And if we put them on their sides here, you can see they're consistent there. Maybe text is a little bit larger on this one. But otherwise pretty similar when you hold them up next to each other. Then you can see the logos, or the artwork, I guess, next to each other there. So it's consistent with the rest of the series. All in all, looks very good. I'm excited to read them.